So as the Diamond Sutra mentioned the very important concept about detach, don't attach to the form. So many practitioners have the readiness, do not attach to the form. When they see people meditating, they will tell the person, do not attach to the form. When they do the offering, when they are chanting, when they dress with the uniform to practice, they will tell the person, do not attach to the form. Somehow it's right, but most likely it's wrong. If you are already a liberated person, that's right. But if you are not, that's wrong, 100% wrong. You do nothing to liberate yourself, to help yourself. First, as a practitioner, in the beginning, in order to let go of the negative attachment, we need to have a good attachment, which means we need to meditate more, we need to repent more, we need to recite more, we need to read the sutra more, we need to do all kind of practice, all kind of skill forming to help us in order to let go of the negativities. We cannot suddenly, okay, I quit my habitual thinking pattern. No way you can do this. So in the sutra, it says, suddenly we can achieve enlightenment. We can realize the idea. We can realize the pure mind. But the habitual thinking pattern, we need to let go of it gradually. This is from Sutra. So how can we make this happen? Attach to meditation, attached to offering, attached to reciting the sutra, attached to all kind of form, in order to let go or replace the wrong attachment, the addition, negative attachment, make you worry and hurt your physical body, let go of it. After we build up our positive attachment and gradually we realize our mind and use different methods to put down our habits, put down our ego layer after layer, and then we will be able to reach enlightenment. After we reach enlightenment, we stay with the status of enlightenment. In this place, after we reach enlightenment, that's the place we can really to start learn how can we let go of form